In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set and adjust your take profit and stop loss orders on the Binance mobile app for futures in 2025. This is an invaluable skill for anyone trading in futures, as setting these parameters can help you effectively manage your risk and potentially lock in profits. So let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. Firstly, you'll need to open your Binance app and navigate to the futures section. If you're not familiar with where this is located, don't worry. Once you're logged in, you'll find it on the home screen or in the main menu depending on your app version and settings. This is your starting point for any futures trading, and it's where all the magic begins. Next, you want to open a position. If you haven't done this before, you'll simply select the futures contract you're interested in. After your position is open, look for the Positions tab. Tapping this will show you all your current active trades. It's important to keep an eye on these as they give you a snapshot of your trading activity. Once you've identified your active trade, tap on it. You'll now see an option labelled Stop Profit and Loss. This might sound a bit formal, but it's your gateway to managing your take profit and stop loss settings. After you tap on this, you'll be directed to the Position Tpsl screen. Here, you'll input the specific prices that you anticipate will either lock in your desired profit or cut your losses. This is vital in volatile markets. Now, input your values for both take profit and stop loss. Think of your take profit as the price level you anticipate reaching to secure a decent return on your trade. Conversely, your stop loss should be set at the price level where you'll limit any further losses if the market moves against your favour. These are not mere numbers but should be carefully selected based on your market analysis and risk tolerance. After entering your desired figures, it's time to confirm these settings. Look for the confirm button and tap it. This action will save your take profit and stop loss levels, and you're all set. Your account now has an automated way to handle profit taking and loss prevention. But what if along the way you change your mind or the market conditions shift? Well, adjusting these settings is just as easy. You can repeat the same steps, enter new values for your take profit and stop loss, and confirm again. This flexibility allows you to adapt to changing market conditions or adjust based on newfound strategies. That's it. With these steps, you've set yourself up to manage your futures trades effectively on the Binance mobile app. Whether you're securing profits or limiting losses, these tools are essential for any serious trader. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.